Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and the Wi-Fi radio are enabled. This saves time. Once done, open the network menu or settings network so you can scan available SSIDs. Make sure you know the router SSID and password or check for a sticker. This is crucial if the network is secured. If the router uses a hidden SSID, prepare to add it manually. These first steps put you directly into the connection workflow rather than fiddling with unrelated settings. Now you scan for networks and inspect signal strength, so you pick the most reliable SSID. Once you see the correct name, select it. The system will autofill the security type, typically as WPA2 or WPA3, which matters for compatibility and speed. Enter the password and use the show option to verify characters if your keyboard layout differs. After authenticating, wait for the connection to negotiate an IP address. When you get an IP, the laptop is on the network and ready. Finish by verifying internet access. Open a website or run a quick ping to 8 to confirm connectivity and DNS behavior. If pages fail to load, make sure the adapter shows a valid IP and then restart the Wi-Fi adapter or forget and re-add the SSID. This often clears authentication or lease issues. As a single key troubleshooting tip, reboot the router and check LEDs. Many connectivity problems are resolved by power cycling the router and re-establishing DHCP assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.